We have another listing.
Abot
guys.
na to.
This is
Ang
a
iskira di
total
ka nang
of
may mga
6
kuan.
hectares. So this is 6 hectares.
Kana na dito.
It's a titled property. Titulado siya. Located in Barangay Imbrujas, Trinidad, Bohol. This is ideal for residential farming and commercial, okay? Because there is a big portion of
Asa man
the
na
property
isa pa gamay diri askilit.
that
Asa man?
is already connected
Aw
to
basak
the
na siya.
concrete road. So, and this is also very close from
Kuan.
National Highway. So doon guys, this can be converted into a warehouse development. Pwede siya no? Warehouse development. Then there is a portion of rice field. Dili kay dako, not too big, no? Not too big. According to my relative, it's around 40 sacks of rice per
So mo na ni.
cropping.
Nya sa utlanan na ni.
So
Aw kato
gamay
dito.
ra gyud ang kuan. Murag na valley gamay, no? Dili kayo gyud kuan. So this is the other side of the property, which is along a rough road. So kuan ni guys, actually my relatives is the owner, no? Ako mga parente who are from Imbrujas but now living in Cebu. Na sila puyo sa Cebu. Then they contacted me to sell their property since their parents are already deceased or gone. So they are going to share the profit instead of lands. So muna ay hitabo guys. So 300 pesos per square meter ang for sale. So this is the property, no? As you can see, no? This is the one with the valley is the rice field area. So kanang murag na valley guys, mao to ang rice field area kana, no? This one, no? Mura na siya guys, dili kayo si dako og basakan kinira nga side. So the other side, no, katong murag nakita na to sa unahan, it's not part. As you can see, there is already the one. Makita na to ang concrete road. So see, kini guys dili na part, no, not part of the property kanang murag basakan. So as you can see, no, this is the property. Oh, the property has no house, no occupants. Kana ra yung open field. Kini ra yung open area that composed of 6 hectares. Actually, ang 4 hectares has a separate title and the 2 hectares has separate also. So 300 pesos. Again, 300 pesos per square meter. So I think we can ask if we'll try to make an offer if we are really interested, no? Then bisan o kana na lang balik 2 ka hektarya ang paliton, pero mas nindot og bultohon yun, hotdon. So mana siya guys. Regarding the negotiation, unya na lang yun siguro, no, kung total magking-negotiate raman gyapon sila, pero unya na yun on final na lang guys. Dili gid totally nga anang yung sure na gyud ang palit ba, kay mao man gyud ang ilang gusto nya. Kinisang mga tawhana plastar na pud sa Cebu, dili pud niingon nga mga kuansad, pero at least, no, i-for sale nila aron ma sharing nila ang profit, not the lands. So kwarta na lang bahinon, sabi ni Saya pa. So ano man na ang patay na tong mga ginikanan, di kwarta na lang yun ang bahinon instead yuta. So nindot ni tamnan og bulanghoy kanang manay ni kasaba, bulanghoy, or kanang tawag sa taga Cebu pa kamuting kahoy, or you plant kanang kuan guys, kamote, kanang gitawag kamuting bagon no manay misis pa. So this is the other side mo na ni ang kuan guys, concrete road, holding the concrete road, which is can be ideal for commercial or converted into a warehouse. So from here to the highway naara gyud is mga more or less mga 500 meters or less, basta dool ra to 300, ana jud po siguro 300 to 400, so depende no. So wala guys, so concrete road na gyud, which is good. So this road is holding the 4 hectares kini nga side. Katong rough road ga hold to sa kuan pero nagsumpay, they are adjacent. So mo na ni guys going to the highway. So ipauli na ta. So see, deep wheel ta, mag deep wheel, magtabay gyud ta kung if you sa party sa water system, deep wheel, signal and one electricity are available. So it's a northern part in Bohol province, 2 hours drive from Tagbilaran city. Then more or less nasa mga 20 to 30 minutes drive from the shopping malls in Talibon, Trinidad and Ubay. Then there is also a future airport in Ubay guys, so you cannot discount in this area. It's really a good place for retirement, farming and many more. So nindot kay ni. So highway na oh, sayon ra kay tultulon. Okay, for inquiries just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title.